Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As all of you know that we are doing 30 days art challenge. So today is day 6 and today's art challenge is draw any cartoon character. So I'm going to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all I'm going to draw the nose and eyes on both sides. Okay. And a big smile with big cheeks. Okay, draw the eyebrows. If you want me to draw any other special cartoon character, I can draw for you all. You can comment me in comment section. Teeth, chin, and now just draw the body. Draw the hands. Okay. So just draw the collar for a shirt and a tie that he usually wears. And finally draw the square pants like this. Okay. So friends, our SpongeBob SquarePants drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Okay, so friends, our SpongeBob SquarePants drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.